Good morning, students. Today I am going to start your remaining topics of the chapter. But before we start, let us have a small recap of what we had learned till now. In previous class, we had talked about the Harappan civilization. We come to know that Harappan civilization was started around 4,700 years ago, and even we found there is a Harappan time when the Britisher uh, Harappan story, that in that we found that Britishers were started constructing the railway lines which were presently in Pakistan, or at that time was in Punjab of the Pakistan. And even we come to know that the Britishers used the very good qualities of bricks which were we found in this side, Harappan side, and due to that the survival buildings get destroyed. After some times, when the archaeologists found the evidences of the site, they come to know that it is one of the oldest civilization of the subcontinent. Next, we had talked about the cities. Cities were divided into two parts. It is one is a eastern part and second is in western part. Then we had also talked about that the western part was smaller but higher, and it is also be called as citadel. Even we found the in citadel the religious places and assembly halls. Even they are being used or lived by the higher class people. And when we are talking about east, we found which was the area was larger, but there was by the lower level, and it being used or lived by the common people. Next, we come to know about the city which they are constructed. They had used this baked bricks to construct the city, and the walls they had constructed with the help of this baked bricks. They are using interlocking pattern so that the walls can get stronger. Next, we had talked about great bath. A great bath is nothing but like a swimming pool which is being lined with the bricks, and which we had found that there is a plaster with those bricks, even watertight being also been done with the natural tides. Even we found that the great bath is surrounded by the rooms. Even the drainage system is also there. Even the people used to take a dip in this special occasion. Even we found the evidences of fire altar in the Kalibanga and Lothar. Even we found evidences of storehouses. Next, we had also talked about the houses. Houses were one or two storage houses. Even they had galleries, and they had separate bathing area, and they had drainage system in this houses. Each and every house is having a drainage system, and they had connected with this streets of their drainage system. And one big drainage system we found in outside the city, where their small streets used to go and connect with this big drainage system which is outside the city. Next, we had even found that the city of Harappan civilization was very busy, and they had very planned and spatial buildings. The rulers used to send the people to others land, and they used to come with the some raw materials, for example metals, precious stones, and the things. Even we found the terracotta, what is a one type of toy which used to the children used to play on this civilization. So let us start. Our today's topic is seal, weight, and bead and pots. Seals were made up of stones, and the shape of the seal was generally in rectangular, and the animal craved on them. On the seal we will found it is a, you can say, now we are using a nowadays we are using stamp. In the same way, the seal was used by the Hadappans for their trade, and on this seal we found the animal plants craved on them, designs of animal and plants crave on them. Next, when we are talking about bead, it is made up of carnelian, which is one type of red beautiful stone, and its stone was very having proper cut and shape and very polished form. Next, the weight, the stone weight. The stone weight was made up of charet, which is one kind of stone has been found, which is very precious stone, or we can say the metal on that time. Next, we can found the evidences of pot. The pot which we used to store the things in ancient time, was very beautiful, and the design on that pot was in black design. We had found the evidences. Cotton spin wool. We know that the Harappan civilization had even started growing crops, and we found the evidences of growing crops in Mehergarh. In this picture you can see the Mehergarh is, where is it located, and it is around the time around 7,000 years ago. Even there is a one found evidences of silver vase which was attached with this cloth of the silver lid. Even they had found some evidences of copper object in the Mohenjo-daro. Next, even the even the archaeologists had also find the sprinkled wool made up of terracotta and fancy. It is a one type of uh, we can say wool, or one type of ball, through that they are used to make a thread. This is a picture of spinning thread, and it is a thread which is used by the ancient people to make use of to make a thread out of the cotton balls. Now, a fence. A fence is a material which is artificially produced by this people of civilization. It is a one type of gum was used to give the shape on the sand, or it is a one type of powder which is applied on the object. And result on this object, we found the shiny and glassy surface of that object. The different colors of the fancy was found, which was generally in blue and sea green color. Through that the people used to make different materials. For example, beads, bangles, earrings, tiny vessels. Through this artificial material they used to make these things. Next, we will talk about specialist. Many of the things that were produced were properly to do work of specialist. Means there is a work of specialist, that there's something to be produced, and it is only work of the specialist to do this type of work. And this specialist person who has only trained such type of work to do, and this work cannot be do by other person. For example, they used to do cutting stones, polishing beads, carving seals. Even we don't know that the specialists are being only a man or woman, but it may be possible that man and woman both are being come in this specialist in search of raw material. In Harappan civilization, we found an evidences of raw material which they are founding naturally from the nature, such as wood or the metal. This type of material was being produced by the farmer or header, and this being used as a raw material to process to make a cloth. For example, cotton. Even this type of raw material we can found in Harappan civilization through in local areas of the Harappans. The evidence has been found. From where they get the raw material, this question arises. They got raw material from the different places. Let us see. Copper from the Rajasthan, Oman, West Asia. Tin, another type of raw material they are getting from the Afghanistan and Iran. Third, they are getting bronze. With the mixture of copper and tin, they are produce one type of metal which is called bronze. Next, they got gold from the Karnataka. Even they found the stones evidences in the place of Gujarat, Iran and Afghanistan. Now let us talk about the type of food the people used to eat in this city. The people who lived in the city were living in the countryside, and what they used to do, they used to grow the crops and hunting the animals. And the farmers and herders, those who are producing the crops, they used to supply these foods to the craft persons, scribes, rulers in the city. Even we found the evidences that Harappan grows different types of crops like wheat, barley, pulses, rice, sesame, limestone, mustard, etc. Now we will talk about new tools. As we know, to do agriculture we need tools in farming. Even we today, when we are talking about today in agriculture, we are using different tools to do agriculture. Same way in our Harappan civilization they are using tool which is called the plow. Generally they used to this type of tool to digging the earth for turning the soil and planting the seed. And the plow which was being made, it is made up of wood, and even we found the model of this plow in the form of toy model which is made of wood. And even for the agriculture they had used some irrigation methods. What they used to do, they used to store the water to supply this water in the field. Same way they are used to do hunting the animals or domesticating the animals of the sheep, goat, buffalo, etc. Even when they does not receive heavy rainfall, what they used to do, they use the store of water for the irrigation of the agriculture. And in summer when there is a large dry area in this month, what they used to do, they used to take this animal in a larger area of their places where they can get water and grass for their eat to get eat to these animals. Even they had collected the foods like fish, hunting animals, example like Anthopoli. Next, we will talk about closer look on Harappan town which was found in Gujarat. The Harappan town in Gujarat, we found Dholavira, which is located on the Khadir Island in a run of Kutch, where we found fresh water and fertile soil. Even the city is divided into two parts, as we see in Harappan. But when we are talking of Dholavira, we found three parts. Each part was divided into three parts: Citadel, Middle Town and Lower Town, and each was surrounded by the massive stone walls and having one entrance through the gateway. This type of place were used generally to do public functions. Even the script which were been found on the white stone, which was inlaid with the wood, which is one of the unique thing which we found in Harappan civilization. The script which was being written yet not deprived by the archaeologist, the writing of that script was found on the small object such as seal. Next, we are talking about Lothal, which is the tributary of Sabarmati, is located in Gujarat, with the Gulf of Khambar, where we found different raw materials such as precious stones, which were easily get. And this center had been used for making this type of object out of the stones, shells and metals which they are getting in this area. Even the many seals and ceilings were also found, and it was been found in a storehouse. Seal and ceiling, it is a shape we found a flat or rectangular or square. It is used for trading purpose, and it is being made used with the help of wet clay, on which they used to do the stamp for packaging the goods, and they used to sell these goods for the trading purpose. Just an example you can take. Now present day we are using the stamps of any thing. If we having purchasing the things from the different place, for example in online day, we used to have some seals of special companies. They had a mark. Same day they are used in ancient time, the people used the seal of their stamp as a stamp, and this type of seal are called sealing. You can save this picture, the type of seals that they are using by these people. Now last, mystery of the end. Now we come to know that at the end of the civilization, the decline of the civilization was various reason. Maybe the changes around 3900 years ago. The people have stopped living in the cities, and the drainage system, we found the garbage in the streets. Even the drainage system got broke. It also been different views come from different people, that due to the changes dry river, deforestation, or we can say over of green grass, flood, or the rulers got lost control over the rules sorry on the country. The people use all, even the said that the people might be get moved from the other place for their settlement. And it is also said that maybe some new city was emerged around 1400 years ago. That is the reason that is a decline of civilization. Thank you, students. Hope you were able to understand the chapter.